In this video, you can get different ideas about that which type of clothes you like the most and which colors will suit you most. There are multiple options are available in this single video, and there are multiple designs are also available in transparent shirts. So viewers, if you are new in this channel, do more and more subscribe, and don't forget to comment. If you want to buy these beautiful outfits, you can visit our the online websites. There are multiple options for you, and I can suggest you some online websites such as Shein.com or Amazon.com, where all the beautiful designs are available. So if we talk about the color combinations, there are multiple options. If you want to go with simple one, that you can want to wear in your daily routine, so these are the beautiful articles that you can carry in your daily routine, and it will give you such a smooth wear and amazing look for your wear. So there are multiple designs that are available in net and share, and you can figure out the beautiful articles from here. Here is the multiple suggestion are available for you in a single video. So these articles are very in nowadays, and these beautiful ladies are looking so gorgeous by wearing these beautiful transparent shirts, bodycon dresses, and transparent beautiful lady shirts.